Imagine this. It's a scorching summer day, and you've got a crowd of people at your place. Whether it's your cozy cafe, bustling boutique, or spirited church gathering, what's the secret ingredient to keep everyone cool, calm, and collected? It's simple. Package air conditioner units. Imagine stepping into your space and feeling an instant wave of refreshing coolness washing over you. That's the magic of our package AC units. They're like your personal cool breeze on a sweltering day. And installation. Piece of cake. Our units are designed to be a breeze to set up, so you can spend less time sweating over complicated manuals and more time enjoying the chill vibes. But here's the real kicker. Not only do our units keep you cool, but they're also built to last. With a 10-year parts warranty, you can trust that you're investing in reliable, long-term comfort for you and your crew. So why settle for anything less than the coolest spot in town? Upgrade to package air conditioner units today and let the good times roll in refreshing, comfortable bliss.